Hello, boys and girls. Today we're going to work on the bar graph, reading and understanding the bar graph. Here the bar graph focuses on comparing data. Data means information. Remember that. Here we have a bar graph, and the title of this graph is called Favorite Cafeteria Lunches. Keep in mind, the graph has three types of titles. You have the main one, you have one which you have on your y-axis, title numbers of students. Then you have the x-axis. Third title, types of lunches. Keep in mind, the title must match the label that it's with. That is one question many students may get confused with. So for example, types of lunches, you will not have the numbers of students here, or vice versa. Numbers of students must match the labels that are shown. Let's get into the questions. Read it with me. How many more students like tacos than pizza? We are going to be comparing tacos to pizzas. Can anyone tell me what operation we're going to use? Subtraction. Very good. Comparing the two. Tacos. Let's go up. We're going across between 6 and 8. What is the number? 7. Pizza. We are going up. It is 4. We do the operation 7 minus 4. Your answer is 3. There are 3 students who like tacos more than pizza. Another part of the bar graph that students may get confused with, keep in mind, are the intervals, which is on the y-axis. This also can be on the x-axis depending if it is turned sideways or vertical like this. Let's look over here. If this is by 2s, 2, 4, 6, if they ask, this went up half between 0 and 2, you know that's going to be what? It would be 1. Keep in mind and make sure you write the correct number there. This is 5 here, and if the bar graph goes up, let's say right about here, you do little lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, and it will tell you that 4 would be the answer, okay? Because many times, even if it's close to that number, it doesn't mean that it is the answer. You need to be sure to go across, and you will find your answer there, okay? Let's get into number 10. These are the only types of intervals you will see on the graph for the test. This is 10. What's between 0 and 10? Who can tell me? Very good, 5. Now there's a graph there, a bar graph, that shows it goes up to, let's say, for example, right above the 5. What number do you think it's going to be? It would be more likely 6. Keep in mind, whenever you read a bar graph, you look and you make sure exactly where and what interval is. Even though there is not a label there, put it in your mind. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and so on. Okay, there are 2 quick tips for the bar graph. Quick tip number 1, proper intervals. Remember to read the proper intervals first. Second quick tip is making sure that the title matches the label. Good luck, and you'll do great.